Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing this kind of blue screen automatic repair error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video we are going to quickly fix this error. First, click on this advanced option, then click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Now click on this option, system restore. So if you have any restore point in your system, this method will give you a chance to restore your PC to the back date, and this will fix the error. So click on system restore option. Now here you can see restore system files and settings. So this option will give you a chance to restore your PC. Click on next. So I have a restore point. As you can see, the date and time are mentioned. So I have a restore point. But if you don't have any restore point in your system, in that case you have to move on to the next method. So if you have any restore point, select the restore point, then click on next, and this will restore your PC to the back date and fix the error. Move on to a next method if you don't have any restore point or you are getting any kind of error while restoring your system. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Now click on this option, command prompt. Now you have to type few commands to repair Windows corrupted files. So the first command will be sfc /scan now. So this command will repair or replace all the Windows corrupted files. Press enter, and this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Process completed. Now type the next command, boot rec /fix mbr. Press enter. Completed successfully. Now type the next command, boot sect /nt60 sys. Press enter. Now type the next command, boot rec /fixboot. Press enter. Completed successfully. Now type the final command, boot rec /rebuild bcd. Press enter. That's it. Cut this window, and after that click on continue, and this will restart your PC and fix the error. Now move on to a next method you can try. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Now you can also use this option, startup repair. So this method will help you to repair all the startup files. You can select this option as well. The final method you can try if you tried everything but still getting the same blue screen error. The final method you can try is try to reset your Windows operating system. So go back to the main menu. Okay, click on troubleshoot, and here you will get the option of reset this PC. Click on it. Now there are two options, remove everything, and first option is keep my files. Go for the first option, keep my files. If you select this option, all your personal data, all your personal files in your system will remain safe. Click on this option, then click on local reinstall. Now here you can see the details. Your PC will go back to the default mode. Keep personal files, so your data will remain safe. There will be no data loss at all in this process. Your Windows will reinstall. The only drawback that all the applications, all the programs you have in your system will remove. This is the only drawback, but your personal data will remain safe, and this method will reset your PC and fix all kind of errors from your system. Click on reset, and this will take around half an hour to complete. So you can try this method as well. So these are the methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.